Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Banner 148 in League of Legends. Now, this will only work if you didn't get banned for actual cheating, if you didn't use any scripts or bots or whatever else that Vanguard detected and then ban you rightfully. If that wasn't the case, then here's what you're gonna do. Go to search, type in add or remove programs. Once it opens, you wanna click here, search apps, type in Riot. Click three dots on Riot Vanguard, uninstall, yes, and let it uninstall from the list. Once that is done, you want to exit out of this, reopen Riot Client. Once the Riot Client opens, you want to go to League of Legends and then click update and it will install Vanguard. Click yes. It says now installing Vanguard. After it's done installing, it will say your game requires a system restart. As you'll see in a second, you cannot play the game yet. You want to exit out of this. You want to go back to search, type in run. In run, you want to type in this, services.msc. Once it opens, you want to press somewhere here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. Double click on it, switch this from manual to automatic. Startup type. Click apply, click OK. Exit out of this, go back to search, type in system configuration. Open it, go to services tab, click hide all Microsoft services, scroll all the way down till you find VGC. You want to untick it and tick it back again. Click yes or click apply, then click OK, and it will ask you to restart your PC. And after you restart your PC, if the same issue persists, or if you've been still unable to play but you aren't banned, there are three options you can do. Either update your motherboard BIOS or downgrade to Windows 10, where it has way less issues with Vanguard. And the last thing you can do is contact Riot support. I have a video on it, how to send a ticket, and then explain your situation, and they hopefully will be able to help you. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Banner 148 in League of Legends. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway. Like, comment. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.